Site 2. Site 3.
Arriving at Emery Bay Campground.
4. Five. 6. 7 is a pull through. 8 is a pull through. It's a group campsite, so you want to keep going. 9. 12. 'Here's our site number 14, reserved 9:10 to 9:15. Yikes. Alright. Oh my gosh. It's kind of intense. So this is called the Group A. So this is called the group camping, and this is Group A. Looks like there's people in Group B. That's pretty cool. You get a big old huge fire, a few picnic tables. You get your food storage boxes. Yeah, there's some people over there camping. You get group camping. That's pretty cool.
We have to do this progress.
Good morning. Ready to go on a little hike? Come on. Let's go on a little hike. Come on. Let's go on a little hike in a circle. Let's go on a tiny hike. And we're done.
Is that what you want to show me?
Isn't it cute? I assume you could put a tent in here. This is a cute little section. Look, a wildlife trail. See that? Yep. Don't want to go in there. Yeah. So there's that one. I'll show you the other one. Come on. Let's go for a little hike. A little hike. A little hike. Jason, look. Read that sign. Okay. So somebody's been painting on these rocks. But look. There's got to be something living in there. You smell it, Gaia? What is it?
They got a food storage.
Yeah, I know. It's a little scary. What do we need that for?
Let's see if there's food in it.
I already looked.
Open.
So, it's animal proof and Jason proof. Nothing in there.
Look, we can steal other people's food.
Well, that's not nice.
Look, we can steal our neighbor's food.
So that's when the bear comes. You get in there and let me know if it works.
Yep.
Okay?
There's a moth in here.
Oh no. We just took a ride down to the boat ramp. This is a pretty steep boat ramp. You gotta be pretty bold to drive down this thing.
That is such a pretty view.
But look at that view.
This is what I came to see.
Isn't it beautiful, Jace? Look at that.
None of those rocks, it's just this. Misty. The water looks a little pink.
Look at that.
This is what I came for.
So in Florida and Georgia and like, you know, south, all I do is look for gators or sharks. Now I'm just looking for bear. I'm looking for any trace of bear.
This water is like spring water clear.
Have you felt it?
I dare you to lay down in it.
Cold? No?
Like you can swim in it?
Look at that.
His famous throw.
Remember we were throwing, or what was it, the slingshot we were at in Tennessee? Where it's all the way across the whole thing?
Why did I bring it?
Good Lord.
That's not good. That's only about 60 yards.
Throw.
I want to go back and get the
This is
camera.
how
Let's go.
far I throw.
Are you guys want to go here?
There's site 10.
11.
There's 13.
14 coming up.
Yep. Here we are in 14. Alright, we've got 15, which is next to us. $17. $19. What number? 20. What am I counting up? Hi. That was 21. It's 25. 26. 26, if we go to the right, we exit. And this is the way we came in. So there is supposedly, look at that, you can see it, a stump.
That's not through that water. You literally could probably just drink this water.
Kai's doing it. I have a magic trick for you. See, there's a crack? I didn't do that. I found it like this.
Alright. This is the skipping rope.
Nom, nom.
Y'all ready to count this?
Can I please do it?
No way. I've been looking for hours for this.
You are such a liar. It's been like 5
This
minutes.
thing's gonna skip all the way to that island.
So I just, which way should I stand behind you?
Ready?
No.
Drum roll or anything cool?
1, 2, 3.
It went right off the top of
The stump.
A horrible skipping rock. It looked like such a good skipping rock.
Yes, yes. How'd you break your back on this trip? Whoa! That probably scared the crap out of the fishes. Do that again.
Oh, that just rang the grizzly bear dinner bell.
Size of that
You hold my
salmon. I barely noticed it.
Well, go for it. Oh,
It's barely. It's like perfectly broken. Here.
that's so weird.
Let me skip this one. This is the best skipping rock on earth. One.
Epic if you threw this. 2.
That's a horrible skipping rock. Maybe if I do it upside down.
That was
Daddy, come.
nailed it.